We all dream of making our city a nicer place to live, with quiet, safe streets, rapid transportation, clean air, and lots of green spaces. In reality, the world population is increasingly concentrated in urban areas, putting pressure on city infrastructure and resources. We need these to be shared efficiently and inclusively by the urban population. Innovators around the world create great technology, but are we at risk of pursuing those innovations for the sake of innovation, rather than for the benefit of people? Should we build our dream cities on Mars, or should we create them in a virtual world? At Kentyou, we believe that we should focus on improving the lives of people here on Earth. Smart city technologies have been promising improvements for many years. City personnel have been trying hard to use them in solving their city's growing problems. Unfortunately, the results are often disappointing. Current solutions are too closed and too inflexible, locking the cities into systems that are unable to adapt to the specific needs of their citizens. We think it's time to change, now. We need two ingredients: data and technology. Cities have the data, we have the technology. Data is a precious resource, the seed of the future. Every city is data-rich. But data, just like a seed, needs care and attention to express its full potential. At Kentyou, we help you to cultivate your data. We collect it from any source and process it to yield actionable information. This information supports decision-making across different city services, such as mobility, energy, waste management, security, and urban planning. We are not doing this alone. There are millions of innovators, like you, willing to be part of the change. Kentyou offers cities, developers, and citizens an open innovation ecosystem for a cost-efficient, citizen-focused, privacy-friendly, green, open, and inclusive infrastructure. Join us today. We'll build the cities we dream of together. Kentyou. Data intelligence for your city.